Welcome, everyone, is MEIZU M8C, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. So all you really need to do is open, for instance, if you want to capture some kind of option in settings, you just want to open it and have it visible on the screen. And once it is, all you need to do is then hold power key and volume down, both of these keys at the same time. You'll see this happen. So right here you will be able to actually resize what you want to capture. So for instance, you can shrink it down to just capture one particular spot that you want to share, or if you just want to keep the entire thing, then you don't really need to do anything. All you want to do is tap on save, and you also have the option to extend it. As you can see, the more you scroll down, it will extend to the entire list. So as you see now, this should show the entire settings, even though it's bigger than just what it's visible on the screen. And this also works in browser. So let me just leave this so I can show it. This is in the browser, and let's go back. Assuming I have internet. Let me quickly connect to network so I can showcase this in a better way. There we go. So now I'm connected. So let's leave and go back to the browser. And you can see that there is a bunch of stuff here. Basically multiple pages of it. And again, if you do the same kind of thing, hold the power and you try to extend it, it will start loading it. There we go. I'll give it a moment. Sometimes it takes a little bit for it to load. You can see that it appears in a second once you try to drag it down. And every time you scroll down, it will extend it further and further if it has any more content to show. So you can see this is fairly lengthy. Well, you can tap on save once you're satisfied, and it gets saved. Now the same process with just capturing normal screenshot works. Whenever you capture it, just tap on save, and then the image will be found in your photo gallery. So let's just, there we go, photos right here. Give it a moment. Don't back up. Let's go to albums, and in albums you'll see a screenshot folder, and in here you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured. And you can see that there's the first one that I haven't done this one, so this is just a one that I have done before. Let me cancel. There we go. So this is the one that we have captured, and as you see, it is fairly lengthy. You can zoom it in, although it doesn't allow you to zoom in completely to the size that it should. But you can see that this is the entire screenshot that I have captured. And yeah, so that is how you would capture screenshots. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.